what's up?
Hey, because our car's stuck over there.
Okay.
Just there.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Jump in.
Oh, thank you.
Jump in, we'll try and get you out. Let's
Oh,
have a
thank
look.
you so much. Oh my God, me too. Oh, you saw us. You saw us. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm like, oh, okay. You go on. I thought you didn't see us.
That way, is it?
Yeah, that way. Too much. Yeah. So the first thing
Never happens anywhere like, you know. Well, that's where the belly goes, dude.
Yeah, I'm going to dig the middle out.
That's what I mean, you're saving a lot of belly work there. Makes me wish for a long handle shovel.
Oh, definitely. This is my poo shovel.
I know.
I'm not going to the toilet.
But he's alright. Alright, so just be careful the board don't get spat this side.
Yeah, blind me.
Yes. Only a little. So you sit. Yeah. I think we ought to go back for a run up, but it stopped on belly, so
Let's try.
I don't know, we'll see. What do you think? Where's Fernando with the shovel?
muscle.
Oh yeah.
Big muscle.
They're calling you muscles, aren't you? Like
Yeah. Wait.
Ready?
Woo!
Go! Keep going! Keep going! Don't back off! Go! Go! Just here. Got out. Where's the board? Didn't hit anyone.
Oh my God, I have to memory the board.
You have it?
Yeah. Oh my God, who can you find the board?
It's a real miracle.
Oh, miracle!
No, you found it because you stopped on it.
So helpful.
It's yours. I'm going to borrow it now.
Okay.
Yeah, then you're beating it.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Well,
let's do yours. And then we go home together.
Yay.